Means I'm not from IT background, sir. So I'm facing problem.
Okay, then
Sir,
ask me
when we
which point.
studied website, sir,
What's it?
Which point? Which one you want
hello?
explanation? I will do.
Yes. No, sir. It's okay. I will manage. Means from now on, if
Don't
you do it,
manage.
it will means I would understand.
Don't manage. If you have any doubt, okay, of course. Up to now, what is it is, but at least next time you don't understand particular point or may need more explanation in it, ask me
Yes, sir.
immediately. Okay, so then I will also. I
Yes.
that's why I took. Why I
Okay.
collect your branches and all. Different area people,
Yes, sir.
different kind of knowledge, different backgrounds, different knowledges are there. I'm my with my diploma knowledge, I can challenge a MTech candidate also, professor also. Possibility also there. So different backgrounds. We can't judge with your background also. If you don't understand, very simple, whether you're CSE, ECE, mechanical or whatever it is. If you got a doubt, you don't understand the point, or maybe you need a two explanations, or maybe need an example, I will give you. So that is not at all issue for me. Not at all issue. Even I enjoy more. Enjoying means I learn more by teaching. Lot of people will learn and teach, but I while learning only I learn more examples, more elaboration, more clear cut points I can able to make it. Okay, so we
Yeah,
continue morning part. First we have to
sir.
finish this one. Yeah.
Yeah, earlier when we studied OSM model,
Yes.
we never got protocol, sir. So when you're teaching today, we are getting distracted and lagging, sir. Actually,
Yeah. Of course. You learn where
in
from college,
20
right?
so when we studied, yeah,
College, right?
yeah,
So there only layers and some notes and 8 marks question, 4 marks question. You'll write. This is the real time means you should understand each one how it is actually what it is. So protocols are not out of station. Without a protocol, you can't communicate. So understand what is a protocol it is. You know, and I didn't ask protocol port number without seeing, right? Morning I asked 2 or 3 people, read it from the screen. Okay, so I will explain this one again. I thought from here at least I will explain. Just listen carefully. If you don't understand, ask me again. No problem. Okay. So what is a application layer? What application layer will do? And where is the application? What is meant by application? So that is I explained it. I didn't give an example from textbook. I told application. Actually, what is application? How many people don't know web browser? What is the meaning of web browser or a Google Chrome? No one is telling anything,
We know, sir.
right? Because whether you are whatever the background it is, we know it. Based on that only I told. Your web browser is a part of application layer. So where you put a request, where you send a message, so that is your application layer. CMD, CMD. I am pinging to my router, for example, or Y router. I'll ping to directly www.google.com. .com. Okay, I'm pinging means I am trying to connect google.com. I'm sending a packet to google.com. I'm receiving. Now tell me which one is a application layer. Where I put a ping command.
Google.
Hey. I given a ping command to google.com. Where I put this command? A command prompt only, right? Command prompt. Yeah, that's good. Okay. So I put a in a command prompt. Now, what is application layer? As per this one, which one is application layer? My side, not google.com
Your
side.
side application layer means command prompt will be your application.
Yes, command prompt is a application layer where you are connecting, from where you are connecting, which application you are using. For example, here I put a ping.com, ping www.google.com. Is anything will happens? Is anything response, connecting, sending a request?
No, sir.
Nothing, right? Because it's a text file. What it will do, I didn't given any other parts also. Okay, so it won't do. But here I put a ping command. It's sending a request, right? It's sending data or packet something. So command prompt is also a your application layer, from where you are sending a request, which application you are using to send a request. That is first I told in a client side application layer. Those comes under application layer only. Okay, so that's the difference between. Okay, one point. Okay, so what is happen in internally, that we'll see later. So here again, sorry, application layer I said. Now next, what protocol we use? We are giving ping command. Computer understand ping command, but to do the mechanism, pinging mechanism, there must be a protocol compulsory. So because system, while you are sending a request, what response server should give to you, we don't know, right? So which protocol we are using? ICMP protocol. The protocol, when you do pinging, the protocol is ICMP protocol. Okay, wait. Google.com, HTTP, yes, of course. www google.com or .co.in. This is google.com. What protocol I use? What protocol I use?
HTTP.
Right?
HTTPS.
HTTPS.
HTTP.
HTTP or HTTPS. Of course, it is a secure line. That's why it is used. HTTPS compulsory. Yes, must be there because secure socket layer. It encrypt the data. HTTP no encryption. HTTPS encryption is there. That's it. But I use HTTP or HTTPS. So what is the difference between pinging and opening HTTPS? Now tell me, what kind of response I got it? When I ping, what happened? When I use HTTP, what happened? Confused? I will show you this window also. Here directly I didn't put a ICMP protocol, but I use a command called ping. When I ping, what I got it? When I open with web browser, what I got it? When I use HTTPS, what I got it? Tell me the difference. Or otherwise, I will use different one. For example, instead of google.com, I use maybe tutorial points or W3 schools is easy. Because google.com is search bar is only showing. Okay, I got a page, right? I got a page. Now, what is the difference between pinging and open domain? Same name only, right? Same name only into web browser. Tell me the difference.
Sir, in pinging, we may get a response. I mean, a reward.
Which response?
Like, sir, we get a reply from the device we are sending or we are
That's
pinging to.
okay. In web browser, what happened?
Sir, in web browser, it only lets us connect to the server and we reaches the desired server with the desired location.
Okay, good, good. I
But
think
we don't.
you didn't get the point. I will tell one point. So see, what you are seeing in web browser, what you are seeing in web browser, what is this? A page, right? Something data.
Homepage here.
Can you see same thing in CMD? Can you see this tutorial double three schools HTTP in the CMD command prompt?
No, sir.
So,
You understand the point what I am trying to tell?
sir, we have an interface there, like interactive interface.
Yeah, both are application,
Yes, sir.
but difference is there. Point is difference is there.
Present.
Got it? Here I'm pinging. Pinging means ICMP protocol. It give ping output only. It do ping output only. I'm not requesting web page, right? No HTTP protocol anyway. It is not displaying that one. And this application not meant for that one. For example, look at this one. HTTP yes colon slash slash www w3schools.com. What happened? You don't recognize that one. Got it? That's the difference between an application to another application. CMD for pinging purpose or maybe some connecting related protocols purpose only, not for accessing website. Here, which protocol will work? CMD, for example, ping www.google.com. Displaying this one only. It's not pinging from here. So why? Because this application purpose is HTTP, HTTPS purpose only. Connecting the web server, display the web page purpose only. Got the point? Every application has a different purpose, different protocols purpose. My web browser, HTTP, HTTPS purpose only. CMD, ping commands, or maybe trace_rt command, or any other commands may work. Okay. For example, if I have a FTP, I'll show you another one. So because I have a WinSCP. This is a one application. What is the use of this application? We can connect remote PC, usually Linux PC, through SCP protocol, using SCP protocol, or you can go with a new protocol also. So you can go with edit SFTP, FTP, SCP, WebDev, Amazon S3. So we can connect that kind of protocols. Using that protocol, we can connect a remote PC. So then you can upload or download a data. Okay. You can upload or download a data. So this is my machine. I can upload the data from here to remote machine, and I can download the data from remote machine. So that application meant for certain purpose, certain protocols only it will operate. How many people know PuTTY? What is the use of PuTTY? I think I didn't start the session recording. Sorry.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Yes,
So
sir.
we use PuTTY to connect to Linux server.
Very good. Very good. We use a PuTTY is an application, and we connect a Linux server, remote Linux server using PuTTY. Which protocol?
SSH.
SSH. Very good.
Right.
Right? SSH. This is SSH. Okay. We'll put SSH, port number, and Linux IP address, which whatever the Linux machine is there, for example. So this is my Linux PC IP address, SSH. Automatically port number is 22 by default. So then click on open, we can able to connect it. How Linux server understand you are requesting for a SSH? How Linux server understand your request is remote connection
Through port number.
through port number? It means the protocol will tell you remote connection with a
Yeah.
secure socket layer security. For example, if I put a telnet, then if Linux PC also give telnet, then you will get a connection is telnet. But Linux is only SSH, but you asking telnet, you won't get a connection because already I told what is the protocol, to whom you are asking, and what you are asking. That is the protocol. So this application using SSH, so we are using PuTTY as an application, and we use a protocol to connect a remote PC that is called SSH. By default port number is 22. If I use www or maybe 80 as a port number, or maybe 443 or maybe 25, it won't work. So the point we should understand is what type of connection request you are doing, and from where you are requesting, to whom you are requesting. So this is three important points of your application layer. So application layer maintain application part of your network, like what application you are using, like a PuTTY for a telnet, SSH are using. Real VNC is an application to connect a VNC, remote sharing desktops. Okay, so here Win SCP also I will type SCP, Win SCP, both are there. Google Chrome or Firefox for web browser for accessing web pages. Google.com, Facebook.com. We use all the things, right? Facebook.com. It's taking a lot of time. So this is Facebook page, right? So this is a website. So which protocol? HTTPS protocol only. So like that, whatever the website you open, request is HTTP, HTTPS for web pages, FTP, file transferring protocol, mail servers, SMTP. I want to send a mail, SMTP. I want to receive a mail from the mail server, POP3 or IMAP. Application side, Outlook is a best application. See, this is my Outlook. I receive a mail directly to this application. I will send an mail to the from my mail server like that. Okay, so this is thing. So application, not a just an application, it is also what protocols works in this application we are using it. Okay, it is not a separate one, guys, so don't think it is a something separate one. It is a same part of application layer, and everybody must know different protocols, at least commonly used protocols. You must know it. It is not a out of subject. Okay, next I told about what is a protocol. Is a normally people tell it is a set of rules, but I told one thing important. When you requesting something, so server should understand, means destination should understand what is your request. Destination should understand what is your request. Based on that only you will get a response. uh, okay, so that's it. These are a different protocol. Every protocol having an abbreviation, each protocol for a certain purpose only. For example, I have a client. Now I want to log in. There is a login thing are there, no? So anything login, Amazon.com. Am I already login or not? So I have to log out. So it's okay. So give me something which is I logged out already. Maybe Udemy. Two things are required. Okay. Yeah, login, sign up. Lining and sign up is there. So login. So it is asking username and password. So when I give username and password, someone should authenticate me. So someone should verify my username and password. Okay. So how will ask my server verify my username and password, and how the server will respond based on my request, how it is understand my request, like a authentication protocol. So you are asking for a like a client PC want to log in, users want to log into PC, so central server authenticate it, username password verifies, then authentication. DNS. Okay, here again small volume. Okay, no. I told all communications are by IP address only. All communications are by IP address only. But I didn't type IP address of udemy.com, youtube.com, google.com, w3schools.com, amazon.com. I didn't use IP address here. I use name only because names are natural. We can able to understand and we can easily remember and we can able to type. But in a reality, you have to communicate in the network with IP address only, not with a name. Got the point? Again, people are not talking. Hello? Is it internet breaking or what? So, right, silent. It is
No, sir.
silence is more violent. Become a silence of lamb. Okay. Do you got the point? So when I try to open a website, for example, udemy.com, google.com, facebook.com, I'm getting web pages, right? I'm getting response. But important thing in a communication is all communications by IP address only. We can't communicate with any system with a names. Okay, no one is telling anything. Okay, got the point or not?
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
So I think your screen has struck.
Stream struck? No. It's
Can you
working.
type in? Yeah, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Working. I didn't not done such. I'm waiting for response.
No, we are watching that, but the cursor is on hold, so we have to the data is working or it's on hand. That's it. Sir.
Okay. Here, understand DNS or not? Not DNS. I told only one point, right? IP address, name. We can't communicate with the names. Okay, no one is telling anything. Okay, so only one thing we can currently I can open. That is my router only. So, what happening, guys? No one is telling any doubt, issue, problem. Other I have to go. If I continue, then how long it is? Okay, so see here it is. How DNS works. This is my system, my PC. This is my PC. I put a something www facebook.com, fb.com. So what happened? I don't know IP address of this fb.com. I don't know IP address of fb.com because without IP address I can't communicate this one. What a what will happen? This request will go to finally it will go to DNS server. Lot of steps are there, but I will tell DNS in DNS class only complete structure. But here request go to DNS server. Okay, DNS server search in the records and it will give you IP address of facebook.com. Okay, so it will give you IP address of facebook.com to us. Then we communicate with the IP address. So that's it is called domain naming system. Okay, very simple example for that one is your contact details.
sir, okay.
What
Sir,
happened?
it is same in our home routers, like the Wi-Fi we connect to.
Yeah, same. Just I didn't put all the steps. Normally, your DNS server, local DNS server is your home router only. Actually, home router, but it won't give you any data. You're sending request to your router only, but router will forward the request to servers.
We
Different
can
servers are there.
change this DNS address.
Yeah, ISP will be there, right? After your router, ISP maintains some DNS servers. Means when some catchy DNS servers. If still it is not fine, there is a big structure is there that we'll see in DNS. Just for understanding, I will tell one simple example. Mobile contact list. Okay. So for example, Vishal. I store a name Vishal. I store a name Vishal. No phone number. Can I call you? Can I make a can I call to Vishal? Name is there. No phone number. Can I make a call?
No, sir.
Right?
No.
Compulsory. We are all calling to phone number only. For example, 91346788. Okay, two something. I put a more numbers. Yeah, he have to give more some one number. 11. For example. For example, some phone number is there. I'm calling to phone number only, right? So actually, all communications by phone number only, right? You want to call to someone, we need a phone number. But can you remember all phone numbers?
No, sir.
Right?
No, sir.
Yeah. Earlier days, phone number memory is a challenging part. So I know only 2 3 numbers. My father number, old phone number, and my sister number only. That is old phone number. There got my sister having two more numbers. My mother having two numbers. My father having two numbers now. How can I remember at least my family members' phone number? I don't remember. Right? So what we are doing in mobile?
So saving these numbers in
Saving the
contacts.
contact.
How? What we need?
Storage.
Both name,
Storage.
name, and phone number. We save with a name, right? For example, Vishal is there. Vishal phone number. I have to save it. How many Vishals I know? So I put a
Only one.
CTS batch 5 2021. I will add to Vishal number. Vishal CTS or a batch 5 2021. This is the phone number. I save name and phone number. I want to call to Vishal. So I go to the contact list, open the Vishal, dial to Vishal, and automatically phone number appears and phone number, the phone will connect with this number only. Because your telephone department don't know names. Telephone department knows numbers only. Same thing DNS. You put a something like a youtube.com or a amazon.in or maybe cloudx lab, okay, or maybe a w3 school or a tutorial java t java t tutorial something is there, no? So like that, okay. Geek for geeks, whatever it is, you put a name, but name sent to DNS servers. DNS server will give you IP address. With IP address only we are communicating. So guys, understand example? Not DNS, sir. I'm not asking you about DNS. Do you understand example or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because that is also one question. That is also a question. Okay, so can you compare DNS with a mobile phone contact? Okay, that's why I ask. Do you understand
Okay.
example, not a concept first? Concept again we will learn. Okay. Okay. So I'm going some outside. I'm not going outside. I'm explaining protocol only, but it will kills the time. So I don't want to go much. Just for understanding. So like for everything, understanding is there. Just you have to try once more. You will understand. And protocols are not separate. So compulsory protocols you should learn. It is a part of our OS layer. Otherwise, we can't continue OS layers also. Next, which layer? After a presentation layer, sorry, application layer.
Data link layer.
Aye. After application, not physical.
Present. Yeah.
Presentation layer.
Presentation layer. Okay, so what presentation layer do? Now really challenge will come. Now very good points will come. While you are sending a data from application layer means from web browser or maybe a web server or maybe a file server or maybe a mail server or maybe a mail client. What are the data you are sending? So different data presentation will come now. For example, you can see picture is there, video is there, uh, text is there, links are there. Mm, which one is having
It's
more
pictures.
data? Right here it is. Amazon is better. Text will be there, pictures are there, and this moving kind of stuff is also there. Now that is GIF kind of stuff will be there. PDFs are there, Word is there. So different kind of data is there. We are sending for we are sending or maybe for receiving. So anything is from application layer, it will send a data to the bottom layers. So whatever the data it is, whatever the data it is, any format. Okay. Data, the format of data will be changed to ASCII format. So that is called encoding. This is why my text is very small. Encoding and decoding. Encoding and decoding. So what is this encoding and decoding? We'll see. Data format. So data format can be any format, right? So it's a simple request or maybe while sending and receiving data can be any format. So data can be text, HTML, normal data, ASP, JSP. So like a different format, text format, or maybe documents. You are sending a document, whatever the protocol you are using. Okay, so different places. Either maybe it is a document, maybe it is a MP3, FLV, maybe MP4. So what are the data format like, or maybe a PDF? Whatever the data format it is, it converts into ASCII format. When you receive a packet, so it is already coded packet. You have to decode it from ASCII to normal format. You have to do it. What is ASCII?
American Standard Code for Information Interchange.
Very good. Standard code for information interchange. Okay. So abbreviation is good, but actually, what is ASCII? Any idea?
Letters are alphabetic letters are represented in numbers.
Very good. Very good. Correct. So we are using high level language. Like I type English letters, right? So maybe A or maybe a B, maybe one, maybe a two, or maybe a dot, or maybe a question mark, or maybe a percentages, maybe a bracket. These are all for our understanding only, but computer cannot understand what you type, so it will convert the data into ASCII format. So it is nothing but for each everything there is a some value. For example, just for example, I'm not going to ASCII table. If you need, if you can go to the ASCII tables, you can type in Google what is ASCII table. For example, if I type A, What happening? Shit.